Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we will be solving a question of arithmetic progression. So here you can see the question is given like this. In an AP, that is in an arithmetic progression, the fifth term is this 18, the ninth term is 34, and we have to find out the first term, common difference and sum of the first 20 terms. So we know, as first we can start by writing given. Okay, given fifth term equals to 18. Okay, ninth term equals to 34. So the fifth term is 18 and ninth term is 34, and we can assume that is let first term be a common difference be D, and the fifth term we can also write as a plus 4D equals to 18. Since we know that any term in an arithmetic progression is a plus n minus 1 to D, where D is the common difference, a is the first term, and n minus 1, that is the n minus 1 term. Okay, now a plus 4D equals to 18, and we can also write a plus 8D equals to 34. n minus 1 means, suppose n equals to 9, that is the ninth term, then we have to write n minus 1 as 8, like this. So here we get another simultaneous equation, and in order to solve this equation we can do like this: minus 4D equals to minus 16, if I am not wrong. Yeah, it is 16. Now D equals to 4. Okay, D equals to 4. Now we can write the common difference as 4. Now we can write now we can put the value of D here: a plus 4D equals to 18. Okay, so a plus 4 into 4 equals to 18, so a equals to 2. We can also, in order to cross check, we can also write a plus 9D, a plus 8D equals to 34. We can also write 32 equals to 30, a plus 32 equals to 34, and a equals to 2. Since in both the cases you are getting the first term as 2, so we can assume that we have calculated the term correctly. Therefore first term equals to a, that is 2. Okay, now in order to find out the sum of first 20 terms, sum of first 20 terms. Okay, the sum of first 20 terms we can write as n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula, where n is 20 by 2, 2 into 2, 4 plus 19 into D. D's value is 4. Okay, so 10. So this is a 20, 800. Now we can find out the sum of the first 20 terms is 800. Therefore we have solved this question. It was given in the sample paper. You can expect this type of question. So here is another question. This is question 2. This question is from your measurement mensuration chapter. Okay, so a sphere of radius 7 cm is melted and recast into a cone of height 21 cm. Find the radius of the cone. This is quite easy, as we know, if the same sphere is recasted into a cone, the volume will be equal. Okay, so here we can write as the answer volume of sphere equals to volume of cone. You can write here, okay, here, because the same material, same volume is melted into and casted into a cone. Now the volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cube, and the volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. As you can see, there's pi and pi will be getting cancelled, 3 and 3 will be getting cancelled, and 4, whose diameter 4 and the radius of the sphere, it is given in the question, that is 7 centimeters. So you can write 4 into 7 cube equals to 21, that is height, and r square. Okay, r square, 21 height and the r square. Now we can write 7 square by 21 equals to r square, and now we can also write, okay, now we know r square equals to 2 square into 7 square by 3. So we can write r equals to 2 into 7 by root over 3. Okay, now if I write root over 3, then we can write equals to 14 by root over 3 centimeter. This is your answer, and I am keeping this answer in fractional form, but make sure you keep it in a decimal form, because in board you will be asked to write the answer in decimal form. You keep this answer in decimal form, but here I am keeping this as a fractional form. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So today we have solved 2 more questions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and in future we will be bringing more such questions, and we will be bringing some tutorials of different chapters in maths. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.